The Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, KPCC's Disciplinary Action Committee will seek an explanation from BZ Zameer Ahmed Khan, Congress MLA, for stirring a controversy on the future Chief Minister if the party came to power in the state in the 2023 Assembly elections. Rahman Khan, KPCC Disciplinary Action Committee's chairman, told the media here on Saturday that Zameer Ahmed had been warned earlier too against projecting any person as the future CM. He has made the statement in a specific context. I will examine it. In the past also, the panel has warned him against saying that he should not indulge in this public posturing, Khan stated. Zameer Ahmed had taken exception to D.K. Shivkumar, KPCC President's attempts, who had sought the support of the Vokaliga community to which he belongs for his chief ministerial bid. The Congress MLA had said that one cannot become the CM with the support of a single community. Even I want to become the CM. The Muslim population is more than the Vokaligas. Can I become the CM? We all need the support of all communities, he had added. Khan said that he will call Zameer Ahmed once again and speak to him. Whoever it is, whether a legislator or anyone else, one should not express such views, he said.